Alright, part 3 for the engine removal or motor swap. So we're gonna try to attempt to get it out today. I'm gonna loosen both sides right now for the axle nuts, and then we gotta get the axles out. Right now he's disconnecting the downpipe, and then obviously we're gonna have to jack it up and get it out. Alright, well my camera died, but I don't know where he put it. Oh, it's right here. Yeah, I was able to get this off, if it'll focus. Yeah, I got it off. We just need to pop both axles out, so I still need to do the other side. So we got both axle nuts off and both tires off because I didn't have this other tire off, but now it is. We're just working on getting this axle out, and then we're gonna get the other axle out somehow, and then loosen up the motor mounts and jack it out. So we took that axle out. Right now he's taking the knuckle off and the control arm thing off, and then we're gonna get that axle out, or not out, but out of the hub, and then we're gonna put this wet underneath and take the motor out, and then that might be it for just this video. So we got well, he got the axle out of this hub right now. Now what we're gonna do is prep everything, and then it should just come right out. So right now we're just gonna chain up the hoist to the motor, jack it up a little bit, support it, and then pull it out. Alright, so I took off the rear motor mount. Couldn't really film. You can see it's loose, it's ready to come out. Just gonna take off the trans mount right there, and then that mount over there. Maybe I can film, maybe I can't, I don't know. I'll try. Let me see. Yeah, that might work. I mean, all it's doing is filming the, like, there is like a supreme angle. Maybe, no, right here maybe. We'll see. Alright, so we're gonna attempt to move the trans mount out, and then we're gonna take this motor mount out right here. This one might need a breaker bar or something. Seems like I got tightening the living fuck out of. Too bad. We can put that right there, the bar, an extension.
I already broke it loose. I'm gonna pull
it
out with the, yeah.
Oh shit.
With the impact.
Okay, oh yeah.
Damn.
You need an extension and an impact, will that work?
Yeah.
I can get the big ass Milwaukee one.
Oh yeah, that'll work.
Alright, let me ask where it's at. Right there.
It's right there, I can see it.
Grab it. I don't want to hit my head again.
Oh, you already did? That's it, right? 2 bolts holding that one?
2 bolts for that motor mount.
Okay.
So is it like hanging right now already?
Oh, well, this
no.
is holding it in place
Oh.
because of the way it sits.
Oh.
And then the only one holding it from falling is this one. Yeah. So try not to wiggle it so much.
Oh, it's sitting on the
chinga. The chinga. That one's the 18, I think. Yeah.
18?
Yeah.
I got a 15. 18.
Go slow as you do it, because you're going to start dropping the trans. Out of the way, right, on this side?
Yeah, I put it out of the way.
Okay.
Yeah, I see it lowering. Oh, there it is. Trans bolt right here.
Like spilled the last of the coolant.
Ew.
Alright.
Now we gotta yank it out. Alright. So we got all the mounts out. It's literally ready to come out. So we're just going slowly here, making sure nothing's attached. Alright, we're getting it out. Yeah, so we're just seeing what it's getting caught on over here, and then it's literally just gonna roll out, and then the motor is gonna be out, and then that's gonna be the end for part 3. Part 4 is gonna be transferring everything. Alright, so I had to put the camera down to pull that back, but yeah, it's out. So that's gonna be the end of part 3. Basically, to take it out, we didn't decide to take it out until all the harness and everything was absolutely disconnected, and then I had to loosen up that rear motor mount, that one, and the trans mount, wiggled it out from the rear, and was able to come out. So stay tuned for part 4. It's going to be more interesting. So